Hello everyone! Today we're going to be talking about game hacks for unlimited gems, rubies, diamonds and other premium currencies. Is it possible to get these cheats working? How do I get them? Where do I download them? What tools do I use? And so on. So, in order to understand if this kind of cheat is possible in your specific game, you need to understand online versus offline games. So it's very straightforward. Offline games do not require the internet to work. Online games require the internet to work. So if you turn off your data, you unplug your internet, and you play the game, and it still works, then you're dealing with an offline game. In an offline game, all the information, including your premium currencies, gems, rubies, diamonds, whatever, it's all stored on your device, on your client, as we call it, on your phone, PC, whatever, which means you can modify and hack that information using tools such as you will find on hackerbot.net, such as, for example, Game Guardian for Android, Cheat Engine for PC, iGame Guardian or Game Gem for iOS. You can find lists of the top software that you can use to modify such information and get working cheats going on hackerbot.net, or you can find modded APKs and modded iOS apps and other hacks for any kind of game using our free finder app that I'm going to get a little bit deeper into at the end of this video. So, however, most games that are very popular these days are not offline games. They do require the internet to work, okay? They do require an internet connection. So most games these days, if you turn off your internet, they will simply not work. Now, the problem with online games is that a lot of your information is not stored on your device where you can modify it, but on online servers where you cannot modify it in any way, and nobody else can either unless they are the game developers, okay? So you're connected to those servers, and those servers store important information such as your gems, your diamonds, your rubies, premium currencies, all kinds of currencies, your level, your items, your stats, and so on. All the important information is on the server and cannot be hacked. That is the sad reality of it. I know, it would be nice if that was possible, but it simply is not. If you've used Google recently to find cheats for popular, especially mobile games, mobile online games like Raid Shadow Legends, Clash Royale, and so on, you will have seen a lot of cheats that claim to give you unlimited gems, unlimited gems, unlimited gems, unlimited gems everywhere. Like, it's actually incredible. Unlimited coins, unlimited gems, unlimited everything. Like, yeah, unlimited gems, gold elixir. It's all impossible. It's all a scam. At the moment, Google is absolutely full of scams. There is almost exclusively scams and fakes out there in Google right now, if you're googling any mobile game hack especially. So do just beware of that. If somebody offers you a cheat that simply is not possible, it's probably a scam. So don't trust those. And guys, if you want to help other people not get scammed by these awful people, please give this video a like and share it with your friends so that they're aware of this kind of issue as well. Alright, so what can you actually do in online games to get more gems or diamonds and whatever? So most games will offer you, online games will offer you, they will offer achievements or daily tasks that you can do to get more gems, to get more premium currency over time, okay? So you can use, for example, automation, so bots, in order to farm these rewards every day automatically, which will give you essentially unlimited gems for free over time. You're gonna have to wait a long time though. The only other way to do it in online game is to spend money, okay? So you have the choice between scripts, bots and automation, or actually playing the game or paying. So that is how it works. I know it would be nice if it was possible to just hack everything, like if you could hack your bank account and put $3 billion in there, but yeah, actually most billionaires out there, they had to work for the money, so that's just how life works. Anyways guys, I hope this helps. I hope you don't fall for these absolute scams. If you're trying to find working cheats for your games, I highly recommend you head over to hackerbot.net. You can just Google HackerBot and you will find it. You will be able to use our free finder tool in order to find legitimate cheats from proven and trusted sources that actually offer working cheats. So the way you do that, it's just you enter the name of your game. For example, I'm going to do PUBG Mobile. Then you enter the platform that you're playing on. For example, iOS or Android. I'm going for Android. It doesn't matter. It works for all kinds of games. And then you enter the current version of the game. If you don't know how to look that up, there's a tutorial below. So in my case, that would be 0.19.0. And you'll find legitimate mods, hacks, scripts that you can use to actually cheat in this game by trusted sources that are clean and actually work, okay? Now, the thing about these cheats is they sound good. Unlimited gems in an online game sounds good, but you're gonna get scammed. It's not gonna work. It's never going to work, not in a million years. You can try all of them. They're all a scam. If you're unlucky, your device is going to get actually malware. Some of these pages are literally malware. Yeah, it's just weird. Like this ranking, for example, at number 1 here, it's a PDF on Yale on the Yale actual university website. And wow, look at this. This is just. Would you ever click this? I would never click this. This is probably gonna give you cancer. Anyways, guys, so I hope this helps. If you hate these scammers as much as I do, please give this video a like, share it with your friends so they don't get scammed either. Thanks you guys for watching. I hope this explains it. There's gonna be a link in the description to how to make bots for your favorite games. And yeah, this is how you actually really get free diamonds and rubies and other premium currencies. Sadly, it's not as easy as clicking a generate button, but this is the truth, and I'll see you guys next time.